Crafting balanced meal plans, meeting diverse dietary needs for optimal nutrition. In the realm of nutrition and diet, the concept of balance reigns supreme. Constructing a balanced meal plan involves not only selecting wholesome foods, but also considering individual dietary needs and preferences. Whether you are aiming for weight management, athletic performance, or simply overall well-being, understanding how to create tailored meal plans is essential. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricacies of balanced nutrition and provide practical strategies for designing meal plans to meet diverse dietary requirements. Understanding balanced nutrition. Prior to jumping into feast-arranging points of interest, getting a handle on the basics of adjusted nutrition is pivotal. A reasonable eating regimen contains various supplements to suitable extents to help ideal health. These supplements incorporate carbs, proteins, fats, nutrients, minerals, and water. Every supplement assumes a special part in the body, from giving energy to supporting cell capability and advancing development and fix. Key components of a balanced meal plan. When constructing a meal plan, it is essential to include a combination of nutrient-rich foods to ensure comprehensive nutrition. Here are the key components to consider: carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables should form the foundation of your meals. These provide sustained energy and essential vitamins and minerals. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats over refined grains for added fiber and nutrients. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to maximize nutrient intake and antioxidant benefits. Proteins are pivotal for muscle fix, safe capability, and chemical creation. Incorporate lean wellsprings of protein like poultry, fish, tofu, vegetables, and dairy items. Aim for a balance of animal and plant-based proteins to ensure a diverse amino acid profile. Consider individual protein needs based on factors like age, activity level, and health status. Fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil, are essential for brain health, hormone regulation, and nutrient absorption. Incorporate a variety of unsaturated fats while moderating saturated and trans fats to support heart health. Remember that fats are calorie-dense, so portion control is key, especially for weight management goals. Vitamins and minerals include a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to ensure adequate intake of vitamins and minerals. Pay attention to specific micronutrients of concern, such as calcium, vitamin D, iron, and B vitamins, especially for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. Consider supplementation if certain nutrient needs cannot be met through diet alone, but consult with a healthcare professional before adding supplements. Hydration. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including digestion, temperature regulation, and nutrient transport. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking water and incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into meals and snacks. Limit sugary beverages and alcohol, which can contribute to dehydration and empty calories. Tailoring meal plans to different dietary needs. Now that we have covered the foundational principles of balanced nutrition, let us explore how to customize meal plans for various dietary requirements. Weight management. For individuals aiming to lose, gain, or maintain weight, portion control and calorie balance are paramount. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide satiety and support energy levels, such as lean proteins, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Monitor portion sizes and consider tracking food intake using a journal or mobile app to stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Athletic performance. Athletes have unique nutritional needs to support training, performance, and recovery. Prioritize carbohydrates to fuel workouts and replenish glycogen stores, especially before and after intense exercise sessions. Include adequate protein to support muscle repair and growth, aiming for 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Hydration is critical for athletes, so aim to drink fluids before, during, and after exercise to maintain optimal hydration levels. Special dietary considerations. Individuals with specific dietary restrictions or preferences, such as vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or dairy-free diets, need to pay attention to nutrient adequacy and variety. Seek out alternative sources of key nutrients to compensate for any potential deficiencies. For example, plant-based sources of protein for vegetarians and vegans, or fortified foods for individuals avoiding dairy. Consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized guidance and meal planning support tailored to your unique dietary needs. Pragmatic tips for meal planning success. Making adjusted dinner plans doesn't need to overwhelm you. Here are a few useful hints to assist you with exploring the cycle easily. Plan ahead. Take time to plan your meals and snacks for the week ahead, considering your schedule, dietary preferences, and nutritional goals. Batch cook staple ingredients like grains, proteins, and vegetables to streamline meal preparation and save time during busy weekdays. Embrace variety. Do not be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients to keep your meals exciting and nutritionally diverse. Aim to include a wide range of food groups and flavors to prevent boredom and ensure comprehensive nutrient intake. Read labels. When shopping for packaged foods, read labels carefully to assess nutritional content, including calories, macronutrients, and ingredients. Look for products with minimal added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, and opt for whole, minimally processed foods whenever possible. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues to guide portion sizes and meal timing. Honor your cravings in moderation, but strive for balance and moderation in your overall eating patterns. Conclusion. Crafting balanced meal plans that cater to diverse dietary needs is a cornerstone of healthy eating. By understanding the principles of balanced nutrition, tailoring meal plans to individual requirements, and implementing practical strategies for success, you can nourish your body and support overall health and well-being. Remember that nutrition is not one size fits all, so be flexible and adaptable in your approach, and always prioritize nutrient-rich foods that fuel your body and mind. Cheers to delicious, nourishing meals and a lifetime of wellness.